Hi, David Snell here again with another video. And what I'm going to be talking about here is, I don't know if some of you guys realize that I used to live in South Korea. That's one of the countries I used to live in. Well, do you know that in South Korea, if you're eating a meal, you're supposed to make noises if the food is good, okay? You're supposed to burp real loud. You're supposed to fluff or pass air. So you're supposed to make a lot of noises. Like I heard when I was there, I heard people going, this food sure is good. And they'd burp and make all kinds of guttural noises because what they were doing is they were saying to the host and hostess that they enjoyed their meal. So that is something that I learned there when I lived in South Korea. So in South Korea, if you're eating a meal and the food is good, you're supposed to make noises while you're eating if the food made you happy. Hi, this is David Snell with Executive Restoration with another short video for you. Have a good day.